You guys got someone else out here?
Oh. Search and rescue out looking for him with the helicopter.
Oh, man. All right, it's late. Going on a rescue. So, guy called me. I think he's got a scout group or a youth group with him or something. They were out Warrior Walk area. Had 2 flat tires. He's not real stuck. He just has 2 flat tires. I think I've rounded up some tires for him. They're not great tires, but they'll get him out of there. So we'll jump in the old Tacoma and I'll run out there. I'm gonna take impact gun and the old Badlands off-road jack right there. Take those with me and we'll go get him out of there. Get him back on his way to Las Vegas. So here we go. We are out of here on Operation Tire. We'll go see if we can get this guy out. I'll get back home. Here we go. Perfect, yeah. It just popped up on Onx Maps. I got you, so I can drive right to you. All right, we'll see you in a sec. I'm stopped, get some gas, and I'm on my way. See you, bye. I'm going, sounds like they've had quite the day, these young men and that. I guess I got one of them lost and the helicopter search and rescue is out flying looking for him currently. Quite a deal. I'm going to take tires to a truck. I got them found on Onx. Luckily, this guy has Onx. He was able to share his Onx pin with me. I press go and it tells me exactly how long and how to get there. So if you guys don't have Onx, you should definitely get it. And don't forget to use code fabrats. Save yourself some money. Everybody likes saving money. So I'm gonna throw my seatbelt on and we are gonna roll out. Seatbelted. All right, we're out. Just getting some gas here. I was hoping to get a drink, but it's like 11, so everything's closed up. I got trusty old water and Dr. Pepper's gone. So we'll drink water tonight. She was thirsty and it's taken forever to fill this thing up, so. Says we got like a 35 or 40 minute ride and then we'll find them and change some tires and drive on out of there, so hopefully all goes well. All right, Onx says I am just about ready to turn off the oil. We've been making pretty good time out here. Somewhere right here, there's a road that takes me right, where is that thing? Right here it is.
Night shift cutie at the truck stop knows my name. Threw the candle in the midnight oil and lit up the honky-tonk highway. I see the sun come up cause I ain't been to bed. Gonna have my name cut into a stone when I lay my head. No rest for the wicked, at least for a few 100 miles. I'm running wild.
We are definitely in the sand now. We're whipping. We haven't turned the hubs in yet. This guy's in the truck he says he is not loving this road right now. Hopefully I haven't lost anything off the back of the truck. Been whipping her a little bit out here. Oh, I wish I only had like 10 pounds of air in my tires. She's riding a little rough right now. Haven't been wheeling for a while, so this is a good change. I prefer to do it, not the middle of the night, but hey, what do you do? Sounds like these guys have had quite a day. I guess it depends if they found the kid they were missing. These washboards are terrible out here. Side-by-siders, whipping it. You would think the BLM could bring a blade out here and fix this road. Push some of these bushes back a little bit. It's starting to get grown over. Should have jumped in the FJ. We could have been running 40 instead of 10. Within a mile of him on Onx. My blue dot's getting closer to his black dot. He's gonna be right down on the slick rocks where he's gonna be. All All right, we missed the road. That, my friends, is why you have Onx. There's so many turns out here. This one's gonna get us there. Oh, they are on a terrible little road. Now we're back on track. We're getting close to him now. That's how close we are to him. Yeah, this is not the road for a 4-door Chevy truck to be on. And there ain't no easy way to get it out of here other than to get it out of here. I don't think going out the other way is gonna be any easier. Light over there. Seeing lights. We must be getting close here. Says we ought to be really close to the truck right now. Oh man. Says we're on top of his truck right now. Right there. Onx did not disappoint once again. Look at that. We found him. All right, well, let's see what we can do here.
Again, thank you.
You're welcome. So,
And my apologies on the loss of family.
you guys got someone else out here?
Yes, they're up. They're up at the trailhead.
So,
They have search and rescue out looking for them with the helicopter.
I just seen a light not very far. Yeah, like quarter of a mile right back on, just right back there.
The young man's, he's got autism and
Yeah.
high functioning, but yeah.
Yeah. So search and rescue's looking for him,
Yeah,
huh?
they've got the helicopter out because they've got service right where they're camped at right there,
Uh-huh.
right before you drop down in.
Okay.
And so I go up here and get the service and I can text back and forth.
Let's assess this situation. So the back tire's junk.
Yeah, front tire's already been chasing the spare, but I have a feeling.
You boys having fun yet?
No, not really.
The fun went away?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it happens.
Here's the other one.
Is it blown out or?
It's blown out.
All right.
And there was one section that this one hit, slid into one of the tree roots that just hang out on the side of the thing.
Oh,
It just
yeah.
blew it. It was like, whoa.
Yep. I'd like to tell you that you're out of the woods, but
We're not.
There's a section that's pretty rough back through here.
Is it better to go back that way?
No.
Down?
No, you're pretty much smack dab in the middle of the bad. Do you want to put 2 good ones on the front or 2 bad ones on the front?
Would it be better gear ratio wise to have
Yeah.
the 2 of the same on the front rear? Because
Run
eventually
it-
I'm going to be on the highway.
Yeah, and running in 4-wheel drive with these is going to be not good.
No, it'll suck.
Yeah, and longer. There's some tight sections.
Yeah, well, look at the side of my truck.
Oh yeah, you're pinstriped and it's going to get worse.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll get them changed. I'll just pull down on the side of you and we'll be able to deal with life right there. Probably easier. Get out off there. You got it. What size is your socket to get the?
You got 1/2-inch drive?
Yeah.
There you go. He's got.
Oh, perfect.
So how's the derby cars coming?
If we could get parts to show up, they'd be done today, but we didn't get all the parts. So
Dang it.
I'll get this.
Story of our lives around
It is.
small towns. You can't exactly Amazon Prime.
Yeah. 2-day or next day means like 4-day.
Yeah. You can go right off the hitch if you want to.
I took this off. We'll just roll in. All right. You got the Allen to get the, oh, you got it.
Got it.
Cool. Didn't see the warrior walk or anything. Indians made a pathway out here across the slick rock. They like lined up a whole bunch of rocks and there's a little pathway they built. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, we did Poverty Wash, and we went down to where you do, what is it, Dead Man's?
Mm-hmm.
And then most everybody went down to the waterfall. We turned around because I had to be back for an airplane.
Yep.
And then this happened. What are you thinking? We should do spares on the rear?
Yeah, probably I'll just put that on there. I mean, they were good once. I think
anything better than zero.
I think they'll get you home. Those roots sticking out are terrible. Oh yeah, she's perfect. That'll get you out of here.
So, should we move this one to the front and then take the other one to the back? Otherwise, I'll look like the squad of North Carolina.
You'll be squatted for sure.
Well, what's your honest opinion on the Bauer and Hercules stuff you've been using?
I love it. Yeah, it's good. Haven't ruined any guns yet. I've killed one grinder. Okay, there's that. We'll let that one down. And
So I can follow you out, or
yeah, I'll just cruise along in front of you. We are tire swapped, and I'm gonna turn around and get in front of him, and then we will get out of here. That truck's gonna struggle where it's headed. He's following. I'll watch for tail lights and we'll just ease out of here. There's enough bugs out here tonight. I don't know what that other light was that I saw. I'm gonna have to get back down here. I'm gonna inspectigate that and see what the heck. See if I got someone else stuck out here or broke down. We're in the middle of nowhere. There shouldn't be lights on the side of the hill like there was there. What in the world have we got going out here tonight? Those lights, we're getting close to where I saw those lights. I don't know what I was. There's a definite campfire right there. I don't know what's that glow. I think we're still doing good. I can still see some headlights behind us. I haven't been able to find the lights again that I saw. I don't know what it was or who it was or any of the above. I don't know. I think we're by the worst of the trees and the scratching stuff, so we should be able to just sickle on out of here now. Oh yeah, we're back to the whoops. The whoopity-doopity-doos. We're back to the decent road now. Kind of out of the woods. I think we can say this one's a win. Should be able to get him back to the parking lot, go home, get some sleep. It's 12:38 currently. It'll be 2 before I get home, so it's looking like a long night. All right, turning the hubs out, and they're out of here. We made it to a gravel road. Made it!
Thank you so much. How much do we owe you?
You don't owe us anything. We're good.
Hey, they found it.
They did.
They did find it. We
Perfect.
just got a text. They found it.
Good deal.
So we don't know any more than that.
Ah, they found him, so that's
all
good.
we need.
Yep, no flats, huh?
No, I was going slow to make sure, as long as it gets us down the highway.
They'll get you down the highway. Put a little air in them before you hit the highway, or when you hit the highway.
Thank you again so
You're very welcome.
Hey,
So,
keep up
hope you
those
have a good night. The rest of it will be good. Yep. Have a good night,
Have a
man.
great one. Keep up those great videos.
Will do. See ya. All right, the lost member of their group found. So that all ends well. We'll get out of here and go back home. Till the next one. Thanks for watching.